Hey you guys, welcome back. So this is probably pretty random video, but I just got off of work about an hour and a half ago, and I was thinking like I want to make more like not necessarily daily videos, but I want to make more videos. I don't want to do like a vlog style because well, first of all, my life is really boring, but I just don't want to do a vlog style channel. I don't know. But I want to engage more, and I don't know what I should do. Like, I could do a clothing haul now that I've got like a bunch of new stuff, but I'll be at work tomorrow, which is Saturday, and Sunday I'll be at work, and then Monday I'm busy and won't be able to film anything. So Tuesday would be the only day that I have to make that video. I mean, it's possible. And that's another thing. Like, I work 12 hours and I work swing shift. So I work for 2 days and then I'm off for 2, and then I work for 3, and then I'm off for 2, and then I work for 2, and then I'm off for 3. Yeah. Each week my schedule is backwards. Like, if I work Monday and Tuesday this week, I'm not working Monday, Tuesday next week. It just makes for a really weird schedule to upload stuff. So I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I just wanted to make this to kind of ask you what you thought. You know, what kind of videos do you think I should make? I know it's kind of lame to ask, I guess, but I'm new to this. I don't know what to do. I mean, I could just like rip off other people's videos, like, oh, story time, such and such. I don't know. I kind of feel like that's, I don't know. I don't have a problem with it. Like, if I see somebody who does a video that I clearly saw on another channel, like, I'm not pissed about it. Like, it's YouTube. There's millions and millions of people on there. You're gonna have that. Even if they didn't even know the other person did it, they could end up just by chance making the same video. So it's not like, it's not a big deal, but I don't know. I guess you could consider it taking inspiration from other YouTubers. I figure if I make at least one video a week, I'll be doing pretty good. And so far, I guess I've been on that schedule, but I don't know. Every time that I wait a few days to make a video, I feel like it's just been forever. And I don't like that. I actually want it to be consistent, and I want them to be of a decent quality. And as you can tell in this one, I don't have my background music playing, and I put the mic somewhere else too. I noticed the last one was just a little quiet. I'm getting the camera next week sometime, so it'll be probably maybe not the next video, but the video after the next one will be utilizing the new camera. The mic I've got for this is a lav mic, and then for my computer I've got an XLR mic, which is the good one, so hopefully my camera will work with the XLR mic, because then we would be in business. I did get a new webcam, but I don't know what software to use to make videos like that. It's a 1080 60 frames kind of webcam. Like, it wasn't a cheap one, but it wasn't an expensive one. It's a pretty decent webcam, I feel. So yeah, I think my next video is going to be what being trans means to me and how it has affected my life in a positive light, and maybe some rants as well. I'll throw in like a couple of rants at the end. Jesus Christ. For the 5th time. 6th time. 7th time. 8th time. 9th time. 'Hope you guys enjoyed that little tune there, and we'll probably catch you in the next one. Bye.